Oftentimes people call us right after they've been injured in a construction site or at work and say, what do I do? Well, the first thing you have to do is the law requires that there be notice to the employer. If the employer doesn't know you've been hurt on the job, it can create a lot of controversies later and a lot of issues as to whether you were in fact hurt on the job or not. The insurance companies that represent the employers at the Workers' Compensation Board will say things to the effect, well, the injury didn't happen at work. So if you're injured at work, if possible, you need to report it to your employer immediately. Sometimes this is obvious if you fall into some sort of a excavation site or something like that. Obviously, usually there's going to be someone else with you, but in the event that you're injured at work and someone else might not have heard about it or seen it, especially if it relates to your back or your shoulder, then you need to let somebody know. Obviously, if you trip and fall and tear up your knee or tear up your ankle, people are going to be there to assist you. But even in that circumstance, we've had a number of cases where people have not been attuned to letting their employer know. The employer has Workers' Compensation Board forms that they are appropriate forms. Sometimes they'll ask you to go ahead and have them filled out by your doctor. Most of the doctors in Western New York know what to do with comp forms.